Hi, and welcome to day 17 of this month's Make With Me project. We are working on a Crochet Stitches sampler rug, and we only have 4 more stitches to learn. So today I'm going to show you how to make the iris stitch. Let's get started. We will begin by chaining 2. I switched my yarn over to this red. That counts as my chain 1. And there's my chain 2. I will make a double crochet into this first stitch. Okay, now I'm going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. And into this 4th stitch, I'm going to put 2 double crochets. I'm going to chain 1 and then make 2 more double crochets into that same stitch. So this one stitch will have 4 double crochets all together. It'll be 2 double crochets followed by a chain 1 followed by 2 double crochets. Then I'm going to skip 3 stitches again, 1, 2, 3, and into this 4th stitch I will repeat what I just did. I will make 2 double crochets followed by a chain 1 followed by 2 more double crochets. Oops, my hook got stuck in something. And this will be the pattern that we follow across the row. I will meet you guys at the end of this row. Okay, I just finished that first row. I'm going to chain 2 and turn my work. And now we're going to do very similar to what we just did, except for just a little different. So we are going to repeat the 4 double crochets with a chain space between 2 of them into the chain space. So I will make 1 double crochet and then another double crochet. Then I will chain 1, make my 3rd double crochet in that chain space, and my 4th double crochet in that chain space. And there we go. Then I won't chain, but I will go ahead and go straight into the next chain space and begin my 1st double crochet, followed by my 2nd double crochet, followed by a chain, followed by a 3rd double crochet in that chain space, and a 4th double crochet. And I am just going to follow this pattern across the row and for this section. I think I'm just going to do 3 rows of the iris stitch, so I will meet you guys at the end of the section. Alright, there we are. We are finished with day 17. Only 3 more sections to go, and then we will work on making a border around it so that it has nice clean edges. But I will see you guys tomorrow when I will show you how to make the almond stitch. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.